Hi, this is Gunasagaran, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering at SNS institutions. Now we are seeing about moving average and range charts. Okay, first we are seeing moving average and range charts are statistical tool used in quality engineering to monitor process performance over time. These charts are useful when individual measurements are available instead of subgroup data. Okay, they help smooth out short-term fluctuations and highlights long-term trends. By analyzing process variation and central engineers can detect take corrective actions. Okay, here in many real world situations subgroup sampling is not possible. Okay, data may be collected one observation at a time. In such case, moving average charts are used to monitor process mean. They reduce random variation by averaging observations. Okay, this smoothing effort helps identify trends and shifts more clearly. Okay, moving average charts are especially useful in chemical process, temperature monitoring, and continuous production systems. Okay. A moving average is calculated by taking a fixed number of observations. For examples, here 3-point moving average use the average of 3 successive values. As a new data is added, the oldest value is removed and the average is updated. Okay, this creates a smooth line representing process behavior. Okay, control limits are calculated based on the average and variation of smoothing averages. Okay. It means chart reduce noise and highlighted trends effectively. They are simple to understanding and easy to implement. Then the chart are used when data is collected continuously and subgrouping it not possible. Okay. Here seeing about range data. Okay. The range chart measures process variability by calculating the difference between observations. Okay, it helps identify sudden changes in variations. The range is calculated as the difference between maximum and minimum values within a moving window or between successive points. The charts completes the moving average charts by monitoring. Okay, it ensures that variability remains within the acceptable limits. It is nothing but it's the difference between maximum and minimum values. Okay, within the moving windows. Importance of range charts. It helps detect sudden spikes or drops in process variations. Okay, even if the average is stable, high variation can affect product quality. Okay, range charts identify assignable causes such as emissions, faults, or environmental changes. Okay, there are essential for monitoring consistency and reliability. Okay, monitoring both average and variations ensuring better process control and quality assurance. Okay, controls limits here are moving average and range sorts are calculated using statistical formulas. The center line represents the average value, upper control limit UCL and lower control limit LCL define acceptable variations. Points outside these limits indicate process instability. Okay. Proper calculations of limit ensuring accurate detections and abnormal conditions. Okay. These limits are essential for effective statistical process control. Okay. Okay. Thank you.